Going to show you how to use the healing tool in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Lightroom app and find the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After we select a picture, we go into the right side of the panel and find this little icon, healing. We can also press H, and then this opens up the healing menu. Here we can select a tool that we want to use for healing. Let's say it's a content aware remove, or heal, or a clone. Let's say we use heal, and here, after we set the size of the healing brush, we can mark the space that we want to heal. This is one way to remove objects and things from our image that are not fitting or just bothering us. You can also use content aware remove, and sometimes this does a better job at removing unwanted things. But yeah, that's how you use it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.